Oh, yikes. Okay. Good morning, guys. It's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I'm surprising my best friend for her birthday. Gotta use my Too Faced lip injections because they make my lips literally plump. I have balloons in the back, but they're not deflated. They're just not floating anymore, and I don't really understand why. I bought them yesterday because I thought they'd be closed today because it's Sunday. And I got them at Party City, and they weren't really too expensive, so it's fine. But why aren't they floating? That was really odd. I'm going to show you what I got in her little cute basket in a little bit. It's all themed in yellow. I'm wearing yellow pants because that's her favorite color. You kind of share that. But I'm going to go drive, get her some flowers, and get her tiramisu for the rest of the little basket. And I am going. So I'll catch you later. Alright. I got everything from Whole Foods. This is bad lighting. Should I go to somewhere with better lighting? I think so. We're going to go get some better lighting. Ooh, that guy's gonna hit me. Please don't. I'd really like my car to be in one piece. Thank you, kind person. Alright, well, guess I gotta just go for it. Like, just go. And I hope for the best. It's in one. Alrighty. I have to go pick up my friend, but I don't even think she's awake. Wait! I don't think she's awake. She also didn't answer my text yesterday. Just saw this guy from my high school. It was really awkward as I was literally getting in the car. He was getting in his car. But it's okay. We're gonna park right over here while I wait for my text messages from my friends to tell me that I can pick them up. Oh, bomb diggity lighting. Okay. So, let me just show you this cute little basket. I use this on my phone. It is yellow because my favorite color is yellow. It's this basket. We got 2 of these beautiful flowers from the lighting fix, which is wetting my seat and everything here. Got a little tiramisu because I thought it would fit the basket. We got some Sour Patch Kids. And we got her favorite Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut Milk Chocolate Bar. I thought it'd be really cute just to get like a little basket of cute snacks and some flowers. And then I have some balloons in the back that are yellow. And there's some gold ones that say happy birthday because like cute. But they have helium in them, but they're just not like floating in the air anymore. I don't really know why, and I have to wait for them to see if they're ready. But we are going. Oh my gosh, I have something in my eye. I don't even think this is better lighting. But we are going into the city. We're gonna go to, let me look at the place, what it's called. I think it's called New Museum. It looks like this. It's like a place you take photos. If that's focusing. If not, I'll put a photo right here. But it's a place where we take photos. We're going there because we always like go places to take photos. Because like, what do kids do nowadays other than take photos to post on Instagram? And I'm just wearing like my every single day strappy top, and then these yellow pants that I actually thrifted. And I'm also wearing leggings underneath because you never know if it's gonna be too cold, so I'm wearing leggings underneath. I'm wearing these cute shoes. They're like gold snakeskin, so I thought they'd match the yellow bat. I actually have to pull my leggings up because you could see them underneath, and it's kind of like awkward, if I'm being real. If it's like warmer, I guess I could take off my leggings because I do have a purse that I'm taking with me. I always take a purse, and I always wear sneakers into the city. Just a little tip. You never know when you need to run. But that's what we're doing. I'm excited to see her. I haven't seen her in a while. Okay, so we're gonna wait for these 2 people to text me and let me know that I've got to go to her house with them. I don't think Zoe is even awake right now, and she takes maybe an hour and 75 minutes to get ready. And Anika just didn't answer my text, so we don't know. Mathis I think she's awake. She was responding to, yeah, she was up at 9:50. So we know the birthday girl's awake. Everyone else that's supposed to be here, we don't really know what they are. And I hope this is recording, because last time I was recording a video, it didn't actually record, and I have to make the whole intro again. So if you want to watch a workout video, it's coming. It's just the intro has to be redone. I don't actually know when this is going out, because I was supposed to post last night my skiing video on Saturday and I didn't. So this is probably gonna be the next video, even though I have 2 other videos waiting to upload. Well, they're already uploaded. I just have to post them and make a thumbnail. But that's just like what's going on in my head. So I'm gonna actually call my friends and find out where they are, because waiting is gonna kill the balloons and kill the flowers. I got this new ring, this gold one. It's really cute. It's a size 6, so I don't really know which finger to put it on, because this one is usually a size 6 and so is this one. But this one was like swollen the other day, so I would just put it on my ring finger. Like, that's bad luck and all, but I don't really care right now. I just wanted to wear the ring. It was really cute. It's from Etsy. I will link the account below. Now I'm gonna go.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?